Most people believe that if you didn't start investing at 22, you've already lost the game. They tell you that compounding only works if you have decades of lead time, that you're simply too late. But here is the truth. You don't need a massive head start to retire early. You just need a different strategy. Welcome to the zero-base method. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme or a lucky crypto bet. It's a mathematical recovery plan designed specifically for late starters. I've studied the portfolios of people who started in their 30s and 40s with absolutely nothing and still managed to exit the 9 to 5 years before their peers. In this video, I'm handing you the exact blueprint to build a wealth engine from scratch. We're going to cover how to aggressively reset your baseline, the specific assets that accelerate growth for late starters, and how to engineer passive income streams that replace your salary faster than traditional saving. If you feel like you've missed the boat, this is your invitation to build a faster boat. You're in your 30s, maybe your 40s, and you look at your bank account. It's not where it should be. In fact, it's basically zero. The experts tell you that the secret to wealth is starting at 22. They talk about compound interest like it's a magic wand you can only use if you started decades ago. But you didn't. Maybe you spent your 20s figuring life out. Maybe you dealt with crushing debt. Or maybe you just didn't know any better. Now you feel like you've missed the boat. The thought of working until you're 67 or worse, never being able to stop, is starting to feel like a life sentence. You see the FIRE movement online. People retiring at 35 with millions. It feels like a cruel joke when you're just trying to make it to next Friday. You're stuck in the late starters paradox. You know you need to invest to get ahead, but you don't have enough money to make the investing feel like it matters. It feels like you're running a race where everyone else got a 10-mile head start. The gap feels impossible to close. But here is the truth. The traditional start early advice is a luxury, not a requirement. Here is the hard truth. You aren't actually behind. You're just starting from a different base. Most financial advice assumes you started at 22 with a trust fund or a perfect corporate ladder. But the zero-base method is different. It's not about catching up to someone else. It's about a strategic pivot to accelerate your timeline. This is a recovery plan designed specifically for the late starter. Step 1, the financial reset. Before you invest a single dollar, you have to find your 0 point. This means a brutal audit of every cent leaving your account. If a subscription doesn't make you money or keep you healthy, it's gone. We aren't talking about skipping lattes. We're talking about the big three: housing, transport, and food. If these three aren't optimized, your retirement date is a fantasy. Cut the fat. Hard. Step 2, the gap expansion. Early retirement is a math problem. The bigger the gap between what you earn and what you spend, the faster you exit the rat race. Since you're starting at zero, you can't just save your way to wealth. You have to earn your way there. Focus on income scaling. Instead of a 3% annual raise, look for a skill that doubles your hourly rate. That extra cash doesn't go to a better car. It goes straight into the engine. Step 3, the engine. Now we build the portfolio. Forget the get-rich-quick crypto coins. You need boring, reliable growth. Start with a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund. Then automate your contributions into low-cost index funds like VOO or VTI. The goal here is aggressive automation. You want your money invested before you even see it in your checking account. Step 4, passive income layering. This is the accelerator. While your index funds grow, you build income streams that don't require your time. This could be digital products, dividends, or a small rental property. The magic happens when your passive income covers your basic expenses. That is the moment you are officially zero-base independent. You didn't start early, but by optimizing the gap and layering your income, you still finish first. Now, the zero-base strategy only works if you have the right infrastructure. You can't manage what you don't measure. That's why I recommend using a dedicated net worth tracker to watch every dollar move in real time. First step, stop letting your cash rot in a big bank savings account. Move your emergency fund to a high-yield savings account. It's literally free money. For your portfolio, stick to low-cost brokerage platforms. High fees are the silent killer of early retirement. When you combine these tools with the zero-base method, the momentum shifts. You stop feeling behind and start seeing a clear, mathematical path to your exit date. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your passive income is finally covering your monthly bills. If you're ready to stop guessing and start building, hit that subscribe button. I've linked the best HYSA and brokerage tools in the description below. Go grab them and let's start your recovery plan today.